Per Inside EVs, American Honda reported 112,742 vehicle sales in the U.S. in June. This marks a 1.1% improvement year over year. Among these, 1,085 were all-electric cars, accounting for 1% of total sales. Honda and Acura's electric vehicles are built on General Motors Ultium platform. The Honda Prologue and Acura ZDX are produced at GM factories. In June, Honda sold 830 Prologues and 255 ZDXs, including the performance-oriented Acura ZDX Type S. Year to date, Honda has sold almost 1,900 all-electric cars. The breakdown includes 338 Acura ZDXs and 1,535 Honda Prologues. Both models qualify for the $7,500 federal tax credit. Pricing for the 2024 Acura ZDX starts at $64,500, with the top-end Type S model priced at $74,500. The 2024 Honda Prologue starts at $47,400, with the Elite model priced at $57,900. The Acura ZDX offers an EPA range of up to 313 miles, while the Honda Prologue offers up to 296 miles. You are listening to UON News.